Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue expected channel name error on your Roblox. So first of all, here you just need to refresh your Roblox. Well, to do that, you just need to go here on Google Chrome, click on the three dots at the top right, and then click on this settings right here at the bottom. Once you click on this one, you just need to click on privacy and security. And from here, you just need to go on the third-party cookies. So click on this option, then click on all sites data and permissions. From here, go to the search box at the top right, and you just need to search for the Roblox. Once you search for this one, just need to click on this trash bin icon right here at the right side of this site. And once you delete and refresh this Roblox, the next step that you're going to do is press Windows plus R key to open up the Run program or Run app. Here, as you can see, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage. Once you tap on this one, click on this OK button, and it will show you all the folders right over here. So here you just need to find the temp folder, and we're gonna find again the Roblox folder. So if you don't find it right here easily, you just need to go on the search box at the top right, and you just have to search for Roblox to find that Roblox folder, as you can see right over here. Now you just have to delete this folder and remove this folder from the file. Now once you've done this one, you just need to open your browser, then log in again to your Roblox, click on any game, then click on play button right here, and just have to download and install this Roblox app on your computer. Now once you've done this one here, the next step that you're going to do is to change the compatibility settings on your Roblox. So the best thing that you're going to do here is to go back to the home screen of your computer, and you just have to find the Roblox icon. So from here, you just need to right click on the Roblox player and then go to the compatibility tab. So from here, click on compatibility, and then you just need to check this box, disable full screen, and then just need to check this run this program as an administrator. So once you've done this one, you just need to again reopen your Roblox app, and it should be fixed all the errors on your Roblox. And that's it. That's how you basically fix that error. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.